Today's video is for class 11 students. I'll be taking up the poem Childhood from their book Hornbill. Hello and welcome dear students. Children, this poem Childhood is written by Marcus Netten. Marcus Netten was a poet from Norway. He was famous for exploring theme of love, loss and solitude, means loneliness. This poem, Children Childhood, he was written in his native language. Later, it was translated into English. Children, in this video, I'll be giving you the theme, explanation, meanings of important words, difficult words, and literary devices used in the poem. Listen very carefully and see the full video. And if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and share it with your friends also. And if you like the video, please comment and click on the like button. Let us now start with the poem, children. What is the theme of this poem? The poem depicts the process of growing up. The poet wonders when and where was his childhood lost. And he became an adult. He realizes hypocrisy in people. He thinks that all the adults, they are two hypocrites and they are diplomatic people. He came to know that adults are not what they pretend to be. They pretend to be something else, but their behavior is different. They behave differently. The poet laments the loss of his childhood and feels that it lies hidden in the face of a small child, means an infant. Now, children, I start with the explanation of the poem. But before that, I would like to tell you that this poem deals with problem of growing up, of transition, means change from the stage of childhood to manhood, from ignorance to wisdom, from doubt to certainty. Clear, children? Now, I will read the first stanza for you people and then I will explain it. When did my childhood go? Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Ceased means, children, stopped. Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be? Was that the day? Children, through this stanza, we come to know that poet's innocence is over. That stage is over. See the first line, children. When did my childhood go? Means poet is no more a child. He has lost his innocence. All children, we all know that when we are small, a baby or child, we are too innocent. We are immature. Because we have not seen the world. That is why we are not mature enough. Okay? In the first line, children, the poet says, when did my childhood go? The poet feels sad at the fact that he has lost the innocence of childhood. So he wonders when he stopped being a child. Was it the day I ceased to be 11? Was it the day when I stopped to be 11? Means I grew older. Maybe 12 or more. Ceased to be 11. Means I was not 11 years old. Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography? Means because children, we tell the children, oh, there is hell, there is heaven, all good people go to heaven and all bad people go to hell. We say, we have so many stories behind this that we tell to our children. But here the poet is saying that the time he realized that this hell and heaven, they could not be found in any book, any geography book. Was that the time he lost his childhood? Means he grew mature to understand that all these are not the reality. Hell and heaven are not the reality because they are not found in any geography book. And therefore could not be. Was that the day? Means they do not exist. The poet understood this fact. Because children, we are not able to see these places in this universe. We don't know. This is all in our mythology. Hell and heaven. Okay? The poet says, so now in this stanza, the poet has lost his childhood and he has crossed the stage of 11. He is no more 11 years old. He is maybe 12 or more than that. And he has realized, he has understood that hell and heaven, they do not exist on this earth and they are not found in any geography book. Poet says, was that the day he lost his childhood. He wonders that perhaps he lost his childhood when he gained rationality. Now we come to the second stanza of the poem. When did my childhood go? Same line is repeated here. Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seemed to be? They talked of love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day? This stanza, children, tells us about that poet has now become a thoughtful person. Okay, means he has learned to understand people here. Clear? The poet says, first line is the same. He says, when did I lose my childhood? When? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seem to be? Means adults, what they seem to be, they do not behave in the same manner. Means adults are not honest people. They are hypocrites, diplomatic people. They talk of love and preach of love, but they do not act in that manner. They do not act so lovingly. Clear, children? Here in this stanza, the poet is actually telling us not to hate anyone. Clear? And he's talking about the adults, that their sayings and their doings are different. They say something else, but they do something else. They are different from what they look like. They do not practice what they preach. They teach others to be loving and caring, but they themselves do not behave in that manner. Understood, children? Now, third stanza of the poem. Here, poet is talking about the independence. Means the poet has become independent. Let us now read the stanza. When did my childhood go? Was it when I found my mind was really mine, to use whichever way I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people, but my own and mine alone? Was that the day? First line is the same, children. When did my childhood go? When did I lose my childhood? He is trying to realize the age. He is trying to find the age when he lost his childhood. Was it when I found my mind was really mine? Means when I started using my own mind, my own brain, to use whichever way I choose. Means poet has become independent now. He can use his own ideas, his own mind to do his work. He is not dependent upon anyone else. Producing thoughts. He is now able to produce his own thoughts. Means to think himself. That were not those of other people. Thoughts that were not of other people. His own thoughts. Means he is able to do all his work on his own. He is using his own mind. The poet says, but my own and mine alone. All ideas are of the poet only whenever he is doing any work. Was that the day? Means was that the day when I became independent? I lost my childhood. Means I am now not dependent upon anyone for any work. I have my own ideas. I have my own thoughts. Okay, and I can work accordingly. Now, children, we come to the last 4 lines of the poem, last stanza. Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place that is hidden in an infant's face. That is all I know. Now, children, in the previous 3 stanzas, poet was using this, when did my childhood go? Now here he is looking for the place. Where did my childhood go? Poet is using this, where instead of when. He has changed his question from when to where. It went to some forgotten place. Forgotten place means he does not remember that place. Forgotten place. It went to, his childhood went to. It is the childhood here. That is hidden in an infant face. Whenever the poet looks at the face of an infant, he feels that the childhood resides in the innocence of an infant. The poet is regretting the loss of his childhood. It seems that probably the poet wants to go back to his childhood. The poet thinks that the innocence lasts till one is an infant. Children, the first stanza of the poem talks about rationalism. Second stanza talks about hypocrisy. And third stanza talks about individuality, means when poet becomes independent. Rationalism means when one is able to think, reason and judge well. Now we start with the literary devices used in the poem. First is children refrain. When did my childhood go? This line is repeated in the poem, and other line that is repeated is was that the day. These two lines have been repeated. So it is called refrain. The other is repetition. This word children love is repeated. See this line children, they talked of love and preached of love. This love word is repeated in this line. Next poetic device used is alliteration. My mind, ma sound is repeated, my mind. Whichever way, va sound is repeated here. Next literary device is antithesis. Two opposite words are used together children, heaven and hell. This is antithesis. And if we talk about the rhyme scheme used in the poem children, I'll tell you that this poem does not have a consistent rhyme scheme. But if we see the first and the last stanza children, I'll tell you the rhyme schemes of those two stanzas. Stanza 1 has A, B, B, C, C, D. And last stanza, it is A, B, B, A. This is the rhyme scheme of first and last stanza children. Here are the meanings of some difficult words from the poem. Revise the meanings children. I hope that the theme, explanation, literary devices and verb meanings are clear to you. If you have any queries, do write to me in the comment box. I would be happy to answer that. Hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more videos on different topics. Like this video, subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends also. Thanks for watching my video.